Now, lots of questions and interest about flying the Neo over water. The last couple of days I've been doing some water flying. I've been doing the sea, I've done a little lake or a little pond, if you want to call it that, close to home where there was a waterfall, and that was cool. I had to be a little bit careful because that was a bit more residential. I didn't want to upset anyone or any wildlife. Today I've come out to a big lake. This is the beside where I normally fly by all those trees. Let's go up. We've got to try and get out of here. There's not an easy access, so we've got to try and get out to the water, but let's have a fly around the big lake and see what happens. So we are in manual at 23 degrees. Start recording. So let's go straight out of that gap and have a look. So beautiful big lake. Obviously in manual, I'm in full control, so the drone's not trying to do anything. No confusion when flying over water, apart from I just have to be really close, really careful, not too close. I think the height, oh, mind the swans. I think the height is actually incorrect because I just said I went to minus something. So that could be the error that you're getting. So I just had a minus height. So I wonder whether if you're flying in normal or any of the auto modes, that would mess it up because it's not getting the correct information back from the sensors on the bottom. So let me show you what I mean. So if I go closer to the water, like so it's saying minus 0.3. Obviously I'm not getting wet. Well, there is some wind because that is struggling coming back a bit. Obviously comes across the lake. Yeah, look, -1. So that's obviously the incorrect info there. Let's see if I can bring it back through here without crashing. Whoops, nearly. Okay, so that was a 4-minute flight over the water. You could see how it handled, but that information that it's getting off the sensors on the bottom, I think, is causing the miscalculation of the height. So that's where you could run into problems if it was self-flying in some way, because it could just go into the water. So it'll be interesting to know if you've tried flying yours over water, how do you find it handles? What's that height like, especially if you're flying in any other mode apart from manual? I'm not going to try it on this section here in normal or sport because I'm scared that it might go in the water, especially if I fly it low. But yeah, let me know. We've got kangaroos. Oh, and big spider webs as well. Now, I don't want to scare the roos, but it'll be good to get one on the drone. Huh? That was always going to happen.